Yes. Hi, people. Hi, Bharat. Hi, Prasu. Hi, Rishi. You. Hi, Krishnan. Hi, Vivek. Hi, Vaibhav. Hi, Garima. बाल काट दिए? नो कृष्णन, इधर है, इधर इधर। मैम अभी सो के उठे हो क्या? भारत, भारत, ओनली यू गेट मी। हाय निधि, हाय आशी। मैम वाई संडे ऑल्सो क्लास? बिकॉज वन क्लास गॉट कैंसिल, नो, डेवलपमेंट का, सो दैट्स वाई संडे क्लास। हाउ आर यू डूइंग? मनीष, आई एम डूइंग डेफिनेटली गुड। कृष्णन, कैसे हो? बढ़िया। हाय ज्योतिष, 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 आर यू इन क्लास 9th और इन क्लास 10th? अरे यार, ये आधे तो मुझे ऐसे ही कंफ्यूज कर देते, तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता इन विच क्लास यू पीपल आर। हाय आदित्य। अरे ऋषि, ऐसा भी होता है क्या कहीं? हाय चारू, हाय अच्युत, हाय वानी, हाय अस्मी, हाय क्रेश। ओके, सो आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग गुड एंड एब्सोल्युटली वेल, राइट? मैम आपका मीटिंग कब चलेगा? गूगल मीटिंग? यार अभी तो आई डोंट नो, आज तो हेडेक बहुत हो रहा है। आफ्टर दिस आई हैव सम वर्क एज वेल, मे बी नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट संडे समवेयर अराउंड इट। गुड आफ्टरनून सैयद अदनान, आई कॉल यू। हाय शिवम। डेफिनेटली भारत। You have cut your hairs? No, no, no. I have just tied my hairs. I was planning to cut, but अभी नहीं cut किया है. Hi Shivam. Good afternoon. Okay. Thank you, Achyut. Okay, people. So, fine, 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 fine. Coming over here, right? मैम करना भी मत. Oops. Room tour. भारत, class is going on. Room tour. Google Meet छोड़िए ये हमारा. Okay, chalo people. Today we'll complete the remaining part of development. Particularly, we'll complete the chapter today, right? तो इसको हम पूरा करेंगे. Definite आदित्य, नहीं वो Google Meet में होता है सिर्फ. Okay, right. Okay. So, hi Shivam. There we have Sutrupa ma'am and Kajal ma'am with us, and both the teachers are going to guide you through your roller coaster journey. ठीक है? So इस roller coaster journey में हमारा सहारा बनेंगे both the teachers. Hi Sanjeevni, right? There, I'll start with the topic. फिनिश करते हैं फटाफट, नेल करते हैं, बिकॉज नथिंग इज लेफ्ट। आई मीन लैंड डिग्रेडेशन कंजर्वेशन मेजर्स में ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं। एंड हाँ, आई हैव अ न्यूज फॉर यू। पता नहीं तुम लोग को शायद ज्यादा पसंद भी ना आए, तो एक्चुअली हो क्या गया है ना कि स्लाइड्स में you have a set of explanation and continuation, and when the explanation will end then you'll have lots of questions. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया है, पता नहीं ये कैसे हो गया, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। सो दिस हैपेंड कि ऑल द एक्सप्लेनेशन स्लाइड्स दे केम ऑल टुगेदर, एंड देन द क्वेश्चन स्लाइड्स दे केम ऑल टुगेदर। ठीक है, तो बीच में देयर विल बी, आई बिलीव, हार्डली एनी क्विज। आई बिलीव देयर इज ओनली वन क्विज इन बिटवीन, ऑल द क्विजेस आर इन द एंड, राइट? तो ये मैं तुम्हें पहले न्यूज दे देती हूँ। Okay, चलो, लैंड डिग्रेडेशन एंड कंजर्वेशन मेजर्स। सी, अभी तक पीपल लैंड डिग्रेडेशन तो आई बिलीव एवरीवन नोस, नो, डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ लैंड, डिग्रेडेशन, राइट? बर्बादी, राइट? Barbadi of land. When land is destroyed, when land is exploited, when land is deteriorated, right? All this means land degradation. अच्छा देखो, land जो होता है ना, it is actually very important because 95%, I mean 95 is a very big number, right? And 95% of all our basic needs, you talk of food, clothing, तुम्हें घूमने जाना है तो you want to watch a movie, or you want to go to a restaurant and eat pizza over there or eat burger over there, All these things are possible only because of land. You want to wear Nike, Adidas, Reebok, right? All this is possible only because of land. ठीक है, you want to drive a like Mercedes or a Ferrari or a Aston Martin over here, you need a land. ठीक है, तो तुम्हें कुछ भी करना है ना, all the privileges that you want to enjoy, for that you require land. So all our basic needs, all our basic things, it comes from land. लेकिन I told you ना, humans are a very greedy one, right? Humans are a very greedy species on earth. So this greedy species, humans, when they saw land, they were drooling, right? They were like, oh my god, land, you can make us rich. And in that thing, what they did was they started degrading the land, right? They started damaging the land. How? बताएंगे तुम्हें. ओके, ठीक है. तो अगर तुम बात करो ऑफ सम स्टेट्स लाइक योर झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, यहाँ पर द पीपल हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन. The cause of land degradation in your Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha is deforestation. अब चलते चलते when you reach Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, all these are neighbors. गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, ऑल दीज आर नेबर्स. ठीक है, तो झारखंड से चलते चलते जब तुम यहाँ पहुंचे तो तुमने देखा यहाँ पर भी लैंड डिग्रेडेशन. बट द रीजन फॉर लैंड डिग्रेडेशन इन दीज रीजन्स इज overgrazing, right? So these people, they had cattle, they had livestock, and their livestock grazed the land at such an extent that क्या हो गया, land degradation. फिर वहां से तुम ऐसा ऊपर को चलते चलते you reach the states of Punjab, Haryana and Western UP. Punjab, Haryana, Western UP में again what you saw land degradation, but the reason was different again. The reason for land degradation here is excessive irrigation. The farmers of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, they wanted to earn lots of money. Basically, to earn money, what do you need? You need lots of produce. You need lots of products out there, है ना? And to cultivate or grow something on land, you require water. So what they did was they over-irrigated the land, and this over-irrigation again resulted in land degradation. Groundwater table ऐसे low हो गया, right? The groundwater table went low, and the land started degrading. ठीक है, okay. तो अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं है that you cannot solve this problem. ठीक है, ये ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई ऐसी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जो कभी सुलझाई नहीं जा सकती. ना ना ना, this problem can be solved, right? You can definitely solve this problem. The measures by which you can solve this problem, I'll tell those in detail in the end. ठीक है, डिटेल में एंड में बताऊंगी. यहाँ पर ये समझ लो afforestation. What do you mean by afforestation? Afforestation means planting of trees. ठीक है, so afforestation or planting of trees is one of the most important reason for your land degradation. ठीक है, दूसरा वाला है प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ग्रेजिंग. ठीक है, प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ग्रेजिंग एरिया. सो ग्रेजिंग एरिया का प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट अगेन इट इज देयर. ठीक है, वेस्टलैंड. If you have wastelands in your region, then you have to manage those wastelands as well. If people are mining, if they are doing excessive mining, then you have to control that mining also, right? And with all this thing, proper management of wasteland, controlling of mining activities, stopping unnecessary construction, right? And managing the pollution or managing the industrial harmful chemicals that start from industries. By managing all these things, you can actually stop the degradation of land, right? Okay, अब बात करते हैं soil as a resource की. छोटा सा है, जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. soil as a resource. ठीक है, देखो soil ना people, soil is a very important renewable resource. कोई इसमें शक की बात ही नहीं है. soil is a renewable resource, but this renovation of soil, it takes thousands and thousands of years. Soil will get renewed, no problem. But in this renovation, thousands and thousands and thousands of years will be taken. अब यार मेरे को तो नहीं पता कि एनी ह्यूमन हु वुड हैव लिव्ड अप टिल द एज ऑफ 1000 years, है ना. ह्यूमंस तो बेचारे अप टिल द एज ऑफ 1000 they cannot live. So if after thousands and thousands of years the soil will get renewed, what's the use? The generations which are in between, they will have to suffer, no, and we have to stop that suffering, right? Acha, soil is extremely important for the growth of plant, and it supports different types of organisms on earth. ठीक है. Soil is a living system. Soil एक living system है, and it particularly takes millions of years to form. अच्छा, thousands नहीं, people देखो million है. Hi, I'm so sorry. Okay, so it takes millions of years to form a few centimeter of soil. ठीक है, 1 centimeter soil, 1 to 2 centimeter soil बनने के लिए millions of years are taken. तो फिर क्या फायदा of being renewable? No, हमें तो रोना ही पड़ेगा ना. Okay, ठीक है. उसके अलावा in the renovation of soil there are various factors which are very important. कौन कौन है? They are your relief. What are your relief? Relief is the physical features of our region. ठीक है, किसी particular region के physical features को you call relief, right? Like some areas में you have high mountains, some areas में forest, है ना. So all these features they combine and they form relief. So relief, rocks, climate, vegetation, all these are important for the formation of soil, right? When there is a change in temperature, when the running water comes at a very high speed, when the wind blows, and when the glaciers they start melting, right? When the decomposers, the bacterias, they act on the soil, then the formation of soil starts. So all these chemical and organic changes, they come together, and together they contribute in the formation of soil, right? Soil में you'll find organic material and inorganic material both. Organic material like your humus, which is very important for the growth of plant, right? Various chemicals, various minerals like phosphorus, nitrogen, right? Calcium carbonate, all these things you will find in soil, right? अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है, ये बीच में एक ही क्वेश्चन है इनफैक्ट, ठीक है, इसका आंसर बता दो. चलो, एक ही क्वेश्चन है, फिर सारे क्वेश्चन एंड में हैं. सो द क्वेश्चन इज which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha? Option A, mining, B, overgrazing, C, over irrigation, or D, industrial waste. And your time starts now. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so Krishnan, Krish, Adnan, Aditya, Gaurav, Prasuk, Sanjeevni, Ashi, Bharat, and Vivek on the fastest finger list. Critical 58% with the right answer. That is your mining. ठीक है, so in reasons में mining is responsible. अब मेरे बच्चों, questions you'll find at the end of the session. I'm sorry for this. पर क्या करें, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, सॉइल के बारे में बात करते हैं. ठीक है, इंडिया इज अ कंट्री विच इज रिच इन लैंडफॉर्म, है ना. इंडिया में यू हैव वैरायटी ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म्स. क्लास 9th में फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया में यू माइट हैव टेकन अ वर्चुअल टूर ऑफ कंट्री, और तुम्हें पता है दैट इंडिया में यू हैव माउंटेन्स, प्लेटूज, प्लेन्स, आइलैंड, सीज, ओशियंस, desert, everything. So you will find a variety of relief features, variety of landforms in India. उसके अलावा क्लाइमेट, है ना, नॉर्दर्न इंडिया, साउदर्न इंडिया, ईस्टर्न इंडिया, वेस्टर्न इंडिया, क्लाइमेट इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट. नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में कोल्ड, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड हैपेंस, बट साउदर्न इंडिया में ठंडा पड़ता ही नहीं है, राइट? Winters are not there, right? You don't suffer from that cold over there, right? So climate difference is very much in the country, and due to this the vegetation also differs, है ना? Because vegetation, it mainly depends on climate, rainfall, soil type, right? On all these things it depends. And क्योंकि India में variety of relief features are there, so the vegetation also differs. This has contributed to the development of various types of soil in India. So India mein you will find a variety of soil, and the first one out of that is alluvial soil. ठीक है, alluvial soil is the most important soil in country, and it is the most widely spread. मतलब northern areas में तो you will find alluvial soil in plenty. ठीक है, the entire northern plains, पूरे northern plains, class 9 physical features of India, northern plains, right? So all these northern plains, they are entirely made up of alluvial soil. ठीक है, अच्छा northern plains, no, northern plains में actually there are three important river system: Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. All these three rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, they are like the mother of northern plain. ठीक है, so these mothers, they have given a lots of water to their son. The sun is northern plain, due to which the northern plain is very 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 fertile. ठीक है, so the alluvial soil, it particularly extends to the region of Rajasthan, Gujarat also, लेकिन बहुत कम, right? Rajasthan, Gujarat में alluvial soil is there, but in very less amount, and then बहुत छोटे रीजन्स में, and in very less amount it is there. ठीक है, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स मैंने बहुत बार बताया है, एक बार और बता देती हूँ. दिस इज द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, है ना? ये कंट्री का मैप बन रहा है यहाँ. ओके, सो दिस इज द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. इन दिस रीजन यू हैव द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, एंड ओवर नहीं, उल्टा बोल दिया. ओवर हेयर यू हैव द वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, एंड हेयर यू हैव द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स. ठीक है, तो ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में भी यू विल फाइंड एलुवियल सॉइल, particularly the deltas which are made by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These deltas are very fertile, and in these deltas alluvial soil ही मिलेगा. You will find alluvial soil only. ठीक है, alluvial soil का there is a खासियत, speciality. What is that speciality? The speciality is that alluvial soil को you categorize on the basis of age. ठीक है, alluvial soil में ना there are two types of alluvial soil. One is the new alluvial. The new alluvial is very young, very energetic, full of life, always in party mode, right? And then you have old alluvial. Old alluvial is also full of life, but it is not that much energetic, right? Because it is old ना, अब बेचारे ओल्ड हो गई है, तो you know that in old age many of our body parts, they stop working properly. Same thing is with old alluvial, because it is old. It is, the old alluvial is in her old age, so many of our parts have stopped functioning properly. ठीक है, इससे क्या होता है? इससे ये होता है that new alluvial becomes very fertile and old alluvial is less fertile, right? I told you ना. ठीक है, क्योंकि न्यू एलुवियल इज यंग, नो, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट हैज लॉट्स ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ह्यूमस, लॉट्स ऑफ फर्टिलिटी इन इट. बट ओल्ड एलुवियल में यू विल नॉट फाइंड इट, राइट? सो न्यू एलुवियल इज नोन एज योर खादर, एंड ओल्ड एलुवियल इज नोन एज योर भांगर. ठीक है, भांगर में यू विल फाइंड कंकर. बट यार कंकर आर वेरी स्मॉल स्टोन्स, वेरी स्मॉल, जैसे इतने छोटे 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 स्टोन्स, राइट? सो दीज स्मॉल स्टोन्स, दे आर नोन एज कंकर. But actually, due to the presence of कंकर, the soil becomes less fertile. Old alluvial में you will find कंकर. Due to the presence of कंकर, old alluvial is less fertile. मतलब fertile है, but less fertile compared to the new alluvial or your khadar. ठीक है, okay, picture of old alluvial on your screen. ठीक है, देखो, this is what alluvial soil looks like, right? Okay, now let us talk of another soil. This soil is known as black soil. ठीक है, black soil. Do you know why black soil? Because it is black in color. ठीक है, because the color of this soil is black, all black. right? That is why it is known as your which soil? Black soil. Black soil का एक और नाम है, basically बहुत सारे names हैं, बहुत सारे nicknames मिले हुए से. Another name for this soil is your what do you call it? Regur soil. ठीक है? So black soil को you also called regur soil, right? Right, मतलब okay. Black soil is ideal for growing cotton. ठीक है, ब्लैक सॉइल में ना यू कैन ग्रो आइडियली अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कॉटन, एंड ब्लैक सॉइल सपोर्ट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ कॉटन. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज आल्सो नोन एज ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल. ठीक है, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, क्योंकि ब्लैक सॉइल इज फाउंड इन द रीजन्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, सौराष्ट्र व्हिच इज इन गुजरात, मालवा प्लेटू, राइट, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़. इन ऑल दीज रीजन्स यू फाइंड द ब्लैक सॉइल. ठीक है, एंड तुम्हें पता ही है दैट महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, बेसिकली दीज रीजन्स हैव वन टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. कैसा? हॉट एंड humid, right? So the climate of these regions is hot and humid. So this hot and humid climate along with the parent rock जिसके decomposition से black soil बना, right? Parent rock decomposes and due to that decomposition soil is formed. ठीक है, these are important for the formation of black soil. अच्छा, black soil का parent rock, right, is your basalt. ठीक है, basalt नाम का जो रॉक है, इट इज अ पेरेंट रॉक ऑफ ब्लैक सॉइल एंड यू विल फाइंड इट इन द डेक्कन रीजन. ठीक है, इन द रीजन्स ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेटू. डेक्कन प्लेटू, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, मालवा, मध्य प्रदेश, ऑल दीज रीजन्स आर देयर इन योर डेक्कन प्लेटू. ठीक है, सो डेक्कन प्लेटू के रीजन्स में यू विल फाइंड द ब्लैक सॉइल, और साउथ ईस्ट में अलोंग योर कृष्णा वैली ऑल्सो, राइट, यू विल फाइंड द ब्लैक सॉइल. ठीक है, ओके. Black soil basically इसमें it has loamy clay, right? It is made up of clay like material, clay मिट्टी, right? So it is made up of clay like material, and पता है क्या? Black soil is quite porous. Porous means no, porous कहेंगे ना, porous नहीं कहेंगे. अच्छा, black soil can hold lots and lots of water, right? So black soil has a good capacity to hold moisture. ठीक है, so it holds a lots of water in it. अच्छा, black soil is rich in minerals like calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, lime, right, and poor in phosphorus. Black soil में calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, lime you will find, but you will not find phosphorus in black soil. और पता है क्या? Whenever the summer times come, no, black soil में breakage आ जाते हैं. ब्लैक सॉइल में यू विल फाइंड ब्रेक थ्रूज. ठीक है, सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज समर सीजन, ब्लैक सॉइल में क्रैक्स आर जनरेटेड, एंड इन दोस क्रैक्स ब्लैक सॉइल पता है क्या करती है? इट ट्रैप्स द एयर. यस, इट किडनैप्स द एयर एंड ट्रैप्स इट इन दोस क्रैक. ठीक है, तो एयर को किडनैप करके द सॉइल इट ट्रैप्स इट इन दोस क्रैक, ड्यू टू विच एयरेशन मीन्स passing of oxygen is very amazingly nice in black soil, and due to that the growth of cotton is supported. लेकिन ना black soil is a gangster. black soil ना बिल्कुल gangster की तरह behave करती है. Once the rainfall happens, right, after the first rain you have to cultivate the black soil, because if you will wait then black soil will become extremely sticky. बहुत ज्यादा कीचड़, बहुत ज्यादा stickiness will be generated in black soil, and then you cannot cultivate black soil. तो first rain, as soon as the first rain happens, go and cultivate your black soil field. Wait कर लिया ना, तुम्हारा मन हो गया कि नहीं यार अभी तो बारिश पड़ रही है, पकौड़े खा लेते हैं, अगली बारिश के बाद में कल्टीवेट कर लेंगे. नहीं कर सकते. तो ब्लैक सॉइल का वाले खेत अगर है तो पकौड़े खाने के लिए नहीं रुकना है, डायरेक्टली पहली बारिश के बाद में कल्टीवेट करने चले जाना है. ठीक है, ओके. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ ब्लैक सॉइल. अब ब्लैक ही है उसका कलर, राइट? ओके, सो या सी यू कैन सी ब्लैक कलर्ड सॉइल. ठीक है, ओके. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट अ कैमेलियन सॉइल, दैट इज योर रेड एंड येलो सॉइल. रेड एंड येलो सॉइल इज अ कैमेलियन. कैमेलियन की तरह ना गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलती है, राइट? सो दिस सॉइल इट चेंजेस कलर जस्ट लाइक योर कैमेलियन. सबसे पहले तो योर रेड सॉइल इट इज मेड अप ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक. इग्नियस रॉक formed by the molten lava, है ना, lava से, molten lava से जो rock बनते हैं, so it is formed by those molten lava rocks, and that is why they are igneous rock. Crystalline soil, red soil, it is basically created by those igneous rock. ठीक है, by those igneous rocks in the regions where rainfall is less, in the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau where there is less rainfall, you will find red and yellow soil. ठीक है, other than that you will find it in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Ganga plains में भी, the southern parts of Ganga plains में भी you will find the red and yellow soil, and the Piedmont zone of Western Ghats. What are your Piedmont zone? देखो ये mountains होते हैं ना, these are your mountains, the foothills of mountains. ठीक है, the foothills of mountains are known as your Piedmont zones. So in the Piedmont zones of Western Ghat also you will find red and yellow soil. अच्छा, ये जो soil होती है ना, because of the presence of lots and lots of iron, लोहा, this soil is red in color. ठीक है, क्या कलर होता है? Red, right? लेकिन as soon as this soil comes in contact with water, जैसे ही this soil comes in contact with water, the soil changes its color and becomes yellow. Yes, speciality देख रहे हो, right? As soon as the soil comes in contact with water, it changes its color and becomes of which color? It becomes yellow in color. See the picture, red and yellow soil. ठीक है, okay. So this was about red and yellow soil. अब है your laterite soil. ठीक है, laterite soil, it has been derived from a Latin word. सारे English words Latin से आए हैं वैसे भी, right? So this word has been derived from a Latin word which means later, and later means brick. ठीक है, so laterite soil you'll find in the areas where the temperature is quite high and there is heavy rainfall, right? Quite high temperature and heavy rainfall regions में you will find laterite soil. ठीक है, अच्छा, पता है क्या? Laterite soil you will find in the regions where there is leaching. What do you mean by leaching? Leaching में क्या होता है? Due to excessive rainfall, the top layer of the soil gets washed away. है ना? इतनी बारिश पड़ती है कि top layer धुल जाती है washing machine की तरह, right? So due to this excessive rain, the top layer of the soil gets washed away, right? This is known as leaching. ठीक है, so this is the laterite soil. It is the result of leaching. So leaching की वजह से the top fertile soil gets washed away, and the soil that is left is made up of bricks, is made up of stones, and that is known as your laterite soil. Laterite soil is not fertile, definitely na. Top soil, the fertile soil got already washed away, so this soil is not fertile. But if you provide proper manure, proper fertilizer to laterite soil, you can make this soil cultivable. ठीक है, so Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and in some areas of Odisha and Assam, you find laterite soil, and the people in these areas, they are growing tea and coffee in laterite soil, but by using techniques. ठीक है, with the help of techniques, with the help of manures, with the help of fertilizers, they are growing tea, coffee, cashew nut in this soil. ठीक है, okay. See the picture laterite soil का. अच्छा दिख रहा है ना? नहीं, वैसे ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, पर हाँ अच्छा दिख रहा है. Okay. अब आते हैं एरिड सॉइल में. ठीक है, एरिड सॉइल इज आइदर, मतलब समवेयर यू विल फाइंड दैट एरिड सॉइल इज रेड इन कलर, समवेयर यू विल फाइंड दैट एरिड सॉइल इज brown in color. ठीक है, texture is sandy. I mean sand like texture is there of arid soil, and it is saline. Saline is that you will find salt in arid soil. इतना salt होता है in arid soil that you can generate common salt with the help of evaporation and sedimentation, right? By the process of evaporation and sedimentation, you can separate common salt from arid soil and you can use it to cook Maggi. इतना ज़्यादा soil you will salt you will find in arid soil. ठीक है, अब arid soil it is found in the regions where the climate is very dry, you know, where temperature is very high. ठीक है, because evaporation हो रहा है तो definitely बहुत धूप होगा ना, so high temperature, fast evaporation, in these areas you will find arid soil. due to which the soil lacks humus, the soil lacks moisture, right? ये soil ना पानी पीती ही नहीं है. This soil does not love water, right? Due to which the soil is always dehydrated, right? Soil में always you will find that water is not available in sufficient amount. ठीक है. और लोअर हॉराइजन्स पे तो ना एज यू विल मूव डाउनवर्ड्स, सो लोअर हॉराइजन्स में यू विल फाइंड दैट सॉइल में देयर आर कंकड़ stones, right? Soil में there are stones made up of calcium. Calcium stones are there in the soil which make the soil extremely infertile. ठीक है. पानी तो होल्ड ही नहीं हो पाता है, the soil cannot hold water, due to which the soil becomes extremely infertile. लेकिन if you are waterman, ठीक है, if you are waterman, if you have sufficient amount of water and if you can irrigate this soil, then this soil can be made cultivable. आप crops उगा सकते हो, you can grow crops in this soil, but you have to provide enormous amount of water to this soil, right? Okay, because this is the picture of arid soil. Rajasthan में, desert regions में, you'll find it, right? Okay. Last soil category is forest soil. Forest soil के तो bro नाम से पता चल रहा है that this soil you'll find it in the regions of in mountain regions or in the hilly regions. ठीक है? So you find this soil in mountainous regions or hilly regions. This type of soil, it is very loamy, right? And very silty. I mean in valley sides. Okay, if you are in the valley, so you will see that soil is very loamy, right? Loamy is sort of a fertile clay soil. Okay, loamy is sort of a fertile clay soil and there is silt also. Okay, loamy or silty hai, the soil is fertile because of the presence of the loose sedimentary particle which are your silt, which is your silt, the soil is fertile. लेकिन जैसे जैसे you will move to the upper side, right? Valley side में तो the soil is loamy and silty, valley side यहाँ नीचे नीचे को. But as soon as you will start going upwards, you will find that the soil is porous, thick, right? The soil is thick, it has thick particles. ठीक है. In the Himalayan regions where there is lots of ice, soil में denudation happens, right? Because अब Himalayan regions का तो तुम्हें पता ही है ना, there is lot of ice over there, ठीक है. And due to that ice, the ice will melt, है ना. आइस के मेल्ट होने की वजह से denudation होगा. Denudation again wearing, ठीक है, और योर वॉशिंग अवे ऑफ सॉइल बाय मूविंग वाटर और आइस. ठीक है, व्हेन मूविंग वाटर और मूविंग आइस, दे वॉश अवे द सॉइल, दे वॉश अवे द टॉप सॉइल, दैट इज नोन एज योर डेन्यूडेशन. रेनफॉल से होगा तो लीचिंग, एंड इफ स्नो और मूविंग वाटर आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल देन इट इज डेन्यूडेशन. ठीक है. So Himalayan region में the soil experiences a lots of denudation, ठीक है, and it is acidic. The soil in that region is acidic with very less humus content, right? Valleys में भी you'll find the soil in the river beds, in the valley regions also you will find this soil. And yeah, the soil is fertile. ये जो soil होती है ना, ये इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है, ये थोड़ी थोड़ी fertile soil होती है. ठीक है, okay. Okay, people, a big smile on your face because we are moving towards the last topic, and then I have questions for you. So bring a big smile on your face like this. Okay, so you have soil erosion and soil conservation, right? Soil की बात तो हो गई, अब थोड़ा erosion और conservation भी बात कर लेते हैं. Soil erosion तो actually we talked about. See, soil erosion. One example, right? So the denudation of soil cover, the washing away or the wearing of soil cover, when the top soil cover, it gets, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, बर्बाद हो जाता है वो, it gets break, right? It breaks, or there is like extensive action over it. The water, the wind, they are continuously acting over it, due to which the top layer, the fertile layer, gets washed away. That is your soil erosion. ठीक है, so the denudation, the washing away, the wearing away of soil cover is known as your soil erosion. देखो नेचर ना बहुत अमेजिंग है. आवर नेचर, आवर मदर अर्थ इज वेरी अमेजिंग. सो नेचर को तो पता था यार. देखो नेचर में रेनफॉल विल ऑलवेज हैपन, है ना, विंड्स विल ऑलवेज ब्लो, दिस थिंग विल ऑलवेज हैपन. So definitely our nature, it had done an arrangement. Nature ने arrangement किया था. Nature was like, अरे यार ठीक है ना, rainfall will happen, wind will also blow, so in some amount the top soil will get washed away. Right? Soil erosion will happen. Right? So, soil erosion will happen. But simultaneously soil formation was also going on. ठीक है, earlier time में when you know nature was playing the main role, soil erosion and soil formation used to happen simultaneously. जितना soil used to get washed away, उसी amount में nature used to make the soil, and that is why denudation or this barbadi, it never happened. But then enters the villain. Who are the villain? अब तक तो तुम्हें समझ आ गया है ना, humans, right? Then enter the villain. Villain are your humans. Humans आते हैं, humans आ करके they start cutting trees. They start, taking their animal to these regions and the animal they graze. अब grazing तो ठीक था, but overgrazing. Right? They keep their animals over there for, days, months, years, due to which overgrazing happens. इतने से भी बंदे का मन नहीं भरता, तो construction, daily new construction, new mining activities are there. Right? Along with natural processes. Natural process तो हो ही रही है. Wind, glacier, water, this was resulting in soil erosion already. But then the human activities also combined, and this led to the degradation or deterioration of soil. ठीक है, अब देखो soil formation तो थोड़ा ही हो रहा है और soil degradation बहुत हो रहा है. Right? Soil degradation is happening in a very excessive amount, but formation is happening in a very less amount. और पता है क्या, ये जो हमारा पानी है ना, द रनिंग वाटर के भी बहुत गुस्सा आता है. इट इज वेरी मूडी. रनिंग वाटर इज एक्चुअली वेरी मूडी एंड वेरी एंग्री. राइट? सो रनिंग वाटर व्हेन इट पासेस थ्रू द क्लेई सॉइल, ठीक है, इट मेक्स गलीज ओवर देयर. राइट? क्लेई सॉइल के थ्रू व्हेन द रनिंग वाटर पासेस, व्हाट इट डज, इट मेक्स गलीज. मतलब देखो यहाँ पर पूरा पूरा सॉइल है, सो सॉइल मस्त पार्टी कर रही है. राइट? पानी आएगा बीच में and the water will be like, hey bro, I will make a gully over here. Right? So the water will start passing through this gully. Right? मतलब soil भी सोच रही है, bro, क्या what is this happening? Right? These gullies, right, these gullies, they led to soil erosion. ठीक है, in gullies में soil erosion happens. Why? Because when gullies will be created, water will take away the soil with it. गली कैसे बनेगी? गली तब बनेगी when water will take away that soil, and then only the gullies will be created. So these gullies also are responsible for soil erosion. Chambal basin में in gullies को we don't call gully, we have given it a fancy name, we call it ravines. Right? The same process, but it is known as ravines in your Chambal basin. ठीक है, gully erosion में water it flows as a sheet. ठीक है, पानी पता है क्या करता है, like this is a slopy area, water will come and जैसे you turn the page of your notebook, ऐसे the water takes away the top layer of the soil. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल one sheet get washed away. जैसे तुम एक पेज फाड़ देते हो ना, वैसे ही एक शीट जो होती है टॉप सॉइल की, वो पूरी वॉश अवे हो जाती है, and that is why it is also known as sheet erosion. उसके अलावा विंड तो तुम्हें पता ही है, wind will blow, when the wind will blow, it will carry away the top soil particles with it, which will also result in erosion. ठीक है, लेकिन क्या इसको बचाया जा सकता है? बेशक बचाया जा सकता है. ठीक है, सॉइल इरोशन का एक रीजन और है, एंड दैट रीजन इज डिफेक्टिव मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग. राइट? प्लॉइंग, व्हेन यू प्लॉ योर फील्ड, प्लॉ खुदाई होता है. राइट? व्हेन यू प्लॉ योर फील्ड, बट इफ दैट प्लॉइंग इज डन इन अ रॉन्ग वे, then also soil erosion will happen. ठीक है, so plowing जो होता है in your mountain region or in your slopey region, it is always done from downwards to upwards, right? Plowing is always done in this direction. Mountain region में, slopy region में, you have to do plowing in this direction. If you will plow your field in this direction, तो क्या होगा? The soil will also get washed away in this direction, which will result in erosion. इसको बचाने के लिए we do contour plowing. What do you mean by contour plowing? Makeup वाला contour नहीं, हाँ? Right, contour plowing में what happens is we plow against the contour line. ठीक है, like you can see over here, ठीक है, इस तरीके से ये लाइंस दिख रही हैं, right? So we plow our field against these contour line. ठीक है, इन contour line के थ्रू फिर इस तरीके से हम plowing करते हैं, due to which this is known as contour plowing. ठीक है, तो देखो one line में plowing will be done, ठीक है, then a small area will be left, then plowing will be done, then in a small area will be left, then plowing will be done, then in a small area will be left. This is known as your contour plowing. ठीक है, सेकेंड स्टेप इज टेरेस फार्मिंग. दूसरा स्टेप क्या है? तुमने बचपन से पढ़ा है टेरेस फार्मिंग, राइट? माउंटेन रीजन में, अब माउंटेन्स आर लाइक दिस, नो? अब माउंटेन में तो इमेजिन इफ रेनफॉल विल हैपन, द एंटायर सॉइल विल गेट वॉश अवे ना. सॉइल के लिए तो इट विल बिकम अ स्लाइड, है ना? एंड लाइक you basically do slides, the soil will also do slide, है ना? The soil will also do sliding and the entire soil will slide away, right? So to prevent this, in mountain we make terraces. हम क्या बनाते हैं? सीढ़ियां, right? That is known as terrace farming. इससे क्या होगा? देखो, if you create these terraces, if rainfall happens or if wind blows, then the soil will get washed away from this region, but it will be stored here. Right? If it gets washed away from this region, it will be stored here. So somewhere or the other, the soil will get stored, and every part ko you are cultivating. So and ultimately, the soil will be used for cultivation, right? And soil erosion will be prevented. ये जो है, ये कॉन्टोर प्लॉइंग के जैसा ही होता है. दिस इज योर स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग. ठीक है, इसमें क्या करा जाता है ना, इसमें हवा को बेवकूफ बनाया जाता है, राइट? स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग में यू मेक फूल ऑफ एयर, यू ट्राई टू फूल एयर. हाउ? व्हाट यू डू इज यू डिवाइड द एंटायर फील्ड इनटू स्ट्रिप्स. ठीक है, एंटायर फील्ड को यू डिवाइड इनटू स्ट्रिप्स. देन देखो, जैसे व्हाट यू विल डू, इन वन स्ट्रिप यू विल ग्रो कॉर्न, ठीक है, इन अनदर स्ट्रिप यू विल ग्रो ओट्स, in another strip you will grow hay, right? तो होगा क्या? The height of corn is something like this, है ना? The height of oats is something like this, and the height of hay is something like this. When the wind will blow, there will be an uneven path. जब हवा चलेगी, the wind, it has to blow through an uneven path, and when there will be an uneven path, erosion will not happen. ठीक है, जब विंड एक अनइवन पाथ में ब्लो करेगी, द विंड विल ओनली ब्लो एट द टॉप, इट विल नॉट रीच द बॉटम, एंड व्हेन इट विल नॉट रीच द बॉटम, इरोजन विल नॉट हैपन. एंड दिस मेथड पीपल, इट इज नोन एज योर स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग. ठीक है, ओके. स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग का जैसा ही वन मोर मेथड इज प्लांटिंग ऑफ शेल्टर बेल्ट. प्लांटिंग ऑफ शेल्टर बेल्ट इज सेम, राइट? इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे कि फील्ड के चारों ओर में यू प्लांट बिग ट्रीज, राइट? Right, on the boundary of the field, on the boundary of your field, what you do is you plant big trees. Again the same thing, these big trees, they prevent the wind from entering the field. These big trees, they act as a fence. किसकी तरह act करते हैं? fence की तरह, right? So the fence मतलब boundary, हाँ? So they act as a fence or as a boundary, and when the wind blows, they stop the wind from reaching the inner part of the field, due to which erosion does not happen, right? Okay, congratulations, we finished the chapter. Quizzes. अब तुम्हारे पास आ रहे हैं कुछ questions. The first one is, what is plantation of trees on a large scale to check soil erosion termed as? Option A, afforestation. Option B, plantation agriculture. Option C, terrace cultivation. Or option D, shelter belts. And your time starts now. Sorry. बच्चे की लोगे जान क्या? Sorry. की है एक मुस्कान क्या. Sorry. Okay, so we have Vivek, Krish, Vani, Ashi, Gaurav, Rishi, Sanjeevni, Adnan, Achyut, Prasuk on the fastest finger list. 63% with the right answer, and the right answer is option number A. Afforestation. Plantation of trees on a large scale is known as afforestation. Growing trees. Plantation of trees along the field is strip cropping ना. Tree plantation तो afforestation होता है. Okay. What is arrangement of soil in different layer of horizons known as? Option A, soil composition. Option B, soil erosion. Option C, soil profile. Or option D, soil texture. Arrangement of soil in different layers or horizons. What do you call it? Okay, the quiz is not tagged. Koi nahi, let us do a hotspot. So A, B, C or D. What do you call it? And your time starts now. This is something, the term that you use over Facebook also. The term, no, that you use over Facebook as well. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, yeah? Okay, so 48% with the right answer. Pretty cool. That is option C, soil profile. Facebook maybe you make profile, no? So that's the profile. Chalo, next one. Black soil is also known by which of the following names? Option A, Bangar, B, Khadar, C, Regar, or option D, Laterite. What is the other name for black soil? Come on. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, huh? It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? Come on, people, fast. 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 Fast and furious. Okay. Krish, Gaurav, Vamsi, Rishi, Prasu, Krishnan, Adnan, Nandini, Nidhi, and Shubhranshu on the fastest finger list. Pretty cool. 74% with the right answer. Abhi kiya tha. The right answer is Rego. Right. It is known as your Rego soil. Next one. Next one is, which of the following is the parent rock for black soil? Option A, granite, B, conker, C, basalt, or D, sand. Parent rock for black soil, and your time starts now. Krish, Nidhi, Vivek, Nandini, Gaurav, Prasuk, Vamsi, Jyotish, Sanjeevni, and Adnan. On the fastest finger list, ये क्या हुआ? Let me check this one. I'll hold this one. I'll check this one. Was I wrong or is the wrong answer tagged? मैं अभी इसको check करके बताऊंगी. Okay. How much desired area is required for forest in our country? Option A 16%, option B 20%, option C 23.2%, or option D 33%. It is asking for the desired area, the required area. वो नहीं, that is available. That should be available, right? And your time starts now. Okay. People, मेरा आंसर सही था. Basalt is the parent rock for black soil. The answer is wrongly tagged. I got afraid. पता है मुझे लगा मैंने गलत बोल दिया. Okay, so basalt is the parent rock for black soil. The wrong answer is tagged in the quiz. वो तुम्हारा सही है. Basalt is right. ठीक है? Thank God. Okay, so Krish, Gaurav, Nidhi, Vani, Vivek, Aditya, Ashish, Shubhranshu, Anupama, and Jyotish on the fastest finger list. 76%, which the right answer? That is option D, 33%. 33% should be available, but India may you have something like 23.8 to 24. Right, 23.8 to 24% you have, but 33% we should have. Right, next one. Next one is, which of the following states is overgrazing responsible for land degradation? Option A, Jharkhand and Odisha. Option B, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Option C, Punjab and Haryana. Or option D, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And your time starts now. Come on, come on, come on. 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 Okay. So Krish, Nidhi, Nandini, Krishnan, Vivek, Gaurav, Sanjeevni, Prasuk, Apurv, and Adnan. On the fastest finger list, pretty cool. 50% of you gave the right answer. That is option B, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Right. So Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan may overgrazing is responsible for land degradation. Next one. Which of the following method will not help in soil conservation? Right. Not help. Huh? Option A, contour plowing. Option B, strip cropping. Option C, creating shelter belts. Or option D, plowing up and down the slopes. And your time starts now. Okay. So Krish, Nidhi, Krishnan, Shubhranshu, Sanjeevni, Ashi, Prashuk, Anupama, Krishna, and Adnan on the fastest finger list. 80% with the right answer. That is option D. Right. Plowing up and down the slope. That is a wrong method. It will not help in soil conservation, but it will lead to soil erosion. ये बताओ. When running water cuts through clay soils and make deep channel, they lead to option A, gully erosion, option B, sheet erosion, option C, deforestation, or option D, afforestation. And your time starts now. Sorry, sorry, sorry. बच्चों की लगे जान क्या sorry, sorry, sorry. Make it mustard क्या Okay. So. Nidhi, Vivek, Ashi, Gaurav, Krish, Krishnan, Achyut, Krishna, Prasuk, and Adnan on the fastest finger list. Pretty cool. 76% with the right answer. That is option A, gully erosion. Right. When running water cuts through clay soil and makes deep channel, it leads to gully erosion. Next one. Which one of the following is not an abiotic resource? Right. Abiotic are the non-living resources. So you have to tell which is not a abiotic resource. Option A, metal, B, rock, C, machine, or D, horses. And your time starts now. Okay. So Krish, Krishnan, Jyotish, Nidhi, Nandini, Vamsi, Adnan, Gaurav, Anupama, and Vivek on the fastest finger list. And the right answer is option D, horses. Not abiotic. Not abiotic matlab biotic. And who's the biotic? Who's the living resource here? Horse. Which actually? एनिमल है ना, विच यूज होगा. ओके चलो. विच वन ऑफ द फ्लोइंग स्टेट्स मोस्टली हैज लेटराइट सॉइल? ऑप्शन ए उत्तर प्रदेश, बी बिहार, सी राजस्थान और डी मेघालय. एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. So, Krish, Vamsi, Prasuk, Nandini, Gaurav, Ashi, Sanjeevni, Apurv, Mehak, and Krishna on the fastest finger list. 26% with the right answer. That is your. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So 26%. अरे सिर्फ 26%. अरे हो क्या रहा है? With the right answer, that was your option number D. ठीक है. So Meghalaya option D is the right answer to this one. Chalo, next one. Moving on to the next question. The next question is on your screen. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Option A, intensive cultivation. Option B, overgrazing. Option C, deforestation. Or option D, over irrigation. And your time starts now. Come on. Nidhi, Krishnan, Krish, Gaurav, Ashi, Vivek, Adnan, Aditya, Apurv, and Anshika on the fastest finger list. 76% with the right answer. And the right answer to this one is option number D. Right. Over irrigation. Chalo. Next one. Soil formed by intensive leaching is alluvial, red, laterite, or desert. Which soil is formed by intensive leaching? And your time starts now. Okay, so Krish, Nidhi, Sanjeevni, Gaurav, Krishna, Adnan, Anshika, Prasuk, Krishna, and Mehak on the fastest finger list. 53% with the right answer. That is option C, laterite soil. Right? Okay. Intensive leaching की वजह से laterite soils are created. Next one. In which of the following state you will find black soil? किधर? Option A, Jammu Kashmir, B, Bihar, C, Rajasthan, or D, Jharkhand. And your time starts now. Okay. Nidhi, Krish, Ashi, Vamsi, Aditya, Mehak, Prasuk, Sanjeevni, Kashish, and Anupama on the fastest finger list. Only 9% with the right answer. Okay. Chalo. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized are called. Option A, developed resources, B, stock resources, C, international resources, or D, potential resources. And your time starts now. Krishnan, Nidhi, Vivek, Sanjeevni, Krish, Prasuk, Apurva, Adnan, Anupama, and Achyut on the fastest finger list. 58% with the right answer, which are found in a region and but not being utilized are your potential resources. Okay. Last question. Which one of the following crop is grown in black soil? Rice, wheat, cotton, or tea? And your time starts now. So, Nidhi, Krish, Nandini, Prasuk, Gaurav, Apurva, Adnan, Ashi, Anupama, and Sanjeevni on the fastest finger list. 76% with the right answer, and the right answer to this one is option number C, cotton. And black soil mein you'll find cotton. That's a leaderboard. We have Krish, Nidhi, Gaurav, Apurva, Ashi, Sanjeevni, Vivek, Mehak, Nandini, Adnan, Prasuk, Anshika, Anupama, Krishna and Achyut on the leaderboard. That's pretty cool, pretty amazing. On that note, thank you so much, Satrupa ma'am and Kajal ma'am, for the extreme support in the entire session. Thank you so much, teachers. Yes, Adnan, forest soil में ना it depend कि जिस भी region का forest soil है, according to that you grow trees and all in those soil. ठीक है, उसके हिसाब से trees and all are grown. जैसे इधर रीजन पर you will find straight deodar trees in the forest soils of Uttarakhand. Deodar trees are grown. ठीक है, so it depends कि किधर का forest soil है, and according to that trees and all are grown. Yes, cashew nuts can be grown. Thank you, ma'am. It's cool, Vani. I mean, it's fine. हाँ बोलो पूर्व.
Ma'am, I have a problem in slide number 24.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what does here mean? In the last point, alluvial fans are fertile. What does this phrase mean?
Alluvial fields are fertile. Alluvial soil के जो fields होते हैं, they are fertile. The crops can be grown over there. Good amount of crops are grown over there.
And what does this word means fan here? Fans.
It's not fan, it's field.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Wrongly written. It's not fan, it's field. Alluvial fields.
Members, but in NCERT, there is also written fans.
बेटा misprint है.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
नहीं ऋषि बिहारी है because वो black soil you find in Ganga plains, no? So Ganga plains में Bihar region में you find the black soil. It's Bihar only. Bye, Ashi. पोटैश लाइम बेटा इट इज अ केमिकल सब्सटेंस. केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा तुमने पोटैश लाइम. मुझे फॉर्मूला नहीं याद है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं याद है. तो केमिकल सब्सटेंस है. दिस इज अ पोटैश लाइम, पार्ट ऑफ लाइम ओनली. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का ही पार्ट है. क्रिस्टलाइन इग्नियस रॉक्स आर द रॉक्स विच आर फॉर्म बाय मॉल्टन लावा. The rocks which are formed by molten lava, they are known as your crystalline igneous rocks. And subsoiling is categorizing the soil but categorizing a soil in a region into subsoils, मतलब उसको उसके further parts में divide करना, that is known as your subsoiling. मतलब under the top layer, under the top soil you have another layer of soil, then you have another layer of soil, जिसको बचपन में तुम ऐसे पढ़ते थे, bedrock, top soil, then gravel, that is your subsoiling. Okay, thank you. Whosoever this is, पुणे. वैभव यार, इसके लिए अभी हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते, बट है इधर पर. With soil. Aditya, with soil. Teachers, you can leave the session. It's already 5 minutes extra. Please feel free to leave the session. Okay, so over here, can you show the slide of soil profile? You have to tell me the slide number. I don't remember the slide number, Aditya. If you know the slide number, you have to tell me the slide number. Then only I can show you any slide. If you know the slide number, please let me know the slide number. But beta, Bihar ka entire regions तो you have not, might not have explored, no? Okay, so over here I'll end the session. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.